Okay, so we're taking up number 9 here, and the first question is 9a, create 4 different ratios using these figures. So we can create any type of ratio, so I could do circles to squares, let's say. And I have 1, 2, 3 circles, so that'll be 3, and squares I have 1, 2, 3 squares, so that's going to be a 3 to 3 ratio. I'll do another one here. I will do green shapes to blue shapes, green to blue, and I've got 2 green and I've got 1 blue, so that's 2 to 1. And I could keep going. There's many different ways you could do this. I could do all red shapes, red to circles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red shapes, and I have 3 circles. These are all part-to-part ratios because I'm taking one part and comparing it to another part. So for the last one, I'm going to do a part to whole, just for some variety. So let's take green, and I can be even more specific. I can take a green square to all the shapes. I'm just going to write to all. So I have 1 green square, and then for all I have to add all my shapes up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that would be 1 to 11, and that is a part to whole ratio. Now the second question here says, how can you change one figure to create ratios of 2 to 5 and 7 to 3? I'm assuming that if I change one figure by this question, that I should be able to get both of those ratios. So if I look around, I want to get, let's do the 7 to 3 first. I want to get 3 of something to 7 of something else. So maybe this 3, if it's not quite a 3, if it's a 2 right now, I can change it to make it a 3. So for example, I have 2 green shapes. If I change, let's say, the circle over here, let's see what happens. I'm going to change this circle to a green circle. Whoops. There we go. Let's change that to a green circle. And I'm still in square mode. How do I get off of this? Now I'm in line mode. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3 green shapes. And look at that, because I got rid of the red, I have now only 7 red shapes left. So I can do green to red, and that will equal to 3 to 7. Now in this case, it's important to note something about ratios. And I should have equals here instead of the, should be equals. 3 to 7. 3 to 7 is the same as 7 to 3. Okay, in this case, you can do it backwards. I can write green to red equals 3 to 7, or I can write red to green equals 7 to 3. Notice whatever my first term is has to be the first term for the ratio. Whatever my second term is has to match with a second number. Okay? And then let's see if we have a 2 to 5 as well, because this question asks for a 2 to 5 as well. Looking around, I have 2 green squares, and I'm looking for 5 of something else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 triangles. So that works as well. So I could do green squares to triangles, and that's going to be 2 to 5. So there's my 2 to 5 ratio that they asked for. Now in my case here, I skipped a lot of the trial and error, but maybe for you, you would need to do some trial and error first to find out which shape change would work. Maybe the first change you did wouldn't actually bring the change that you wanted and give you those ratios that you wanted.